Hello everyone, I am Nagavelli Prasad working in TSRR Center of Excellence, Karimnagar. As we have studied that control and coordination in our body is performed by a system known as neural system. My dear students, all the neural operations in a neural system is performed by mainly two organs which are brain and spinal cord. This brain and spinal cord togetherly called as the central nervous system, CNS. Today in this session, I am going to explain you the external features of the brain. My dear students, brain is located in the skull in a bony box called as cranium. Have a look onto here. So this is the bony box where brain is located, which is called as cranium. Brain is near about 1200 to 1400 grams in weight and which is made up of 100 billion neurons. And brain is surrounded by three membranes, the three membranes togetherly called meninges. My dear students, they have a separate names. The outermost membrane of the brain known as dura mater and the middle membrane known as arachnoid membrane and innermost membrane known as pia mater. So have a look onto this diagram. So the skull, it is the bone. Immediate to skull there is a membrane you are seeing. This is dura mater. The thick double membrane, double layered membrane known as dura mater, whose main function is protecting the brain from external pressure and shocks. Because it is tough and thick, durable. So which is thick and tough, whose main function is protection. And after the skull bone it will be the outermost membrane of the brain. And the middle membrane which is thin but appearably it looks like webbed appearable membrane known as arachnoid membrane. Remember arachnoid, webbed. So just remember to arachnid or spider web. Okay, arachnoid membrane, appearably webbed appearance, and thin membrane which is immediate to dura mater. So arachnoid membrane after the innermost membrane which adheres to the brain. If it is a part of the it is a brain, then it attaches to the brain. This membrane is known as pia mater, which is also thin and soft. So pia means soft or thin. So there is a space between these three membranes also. The space between dura mater and arachnoid membrane known as subdural space. Subdural space. And my dear students, the space between arachnoid membrane and pia mater known as subarachnoid space. Subarachnoid space. This subarachnoid space is filled with a fluid known as cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid, which is the fluid which facilitates exchange of nutrients and exchange of gases and excretory substance, and which act as shock absorbing medium and which flushes out toxins from the brain also. So this is regarding membrane of the brain and external features of the brain. Thank you.
The question for this session is, what is neopallium? Where is it located?